Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you all know that I am in Kolkata and I am taking you today for Durga Puja Pandal hopping. Yes, it is quite popular that people visit Pandal throughout the night, and I will show you how city is buzzing with festivities throughout the night. So we are starting at around 11 p.m. and this is the first pandal that we visited. This entire pandal was made up of bamboo weaving and different cuts, different weaving, and every chandelier, even the walls were woven by different bamboo weaving. So West Bengal is super popular for bamboo and jute. So you can see the intricate work all across the pandal.
With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
The next pandal that we visited had this underwater theme, and right now what you're seeing on the screen is decorated with all utensils, and this pandal was the most crowded one but had an amazing lighting effect. I hope you can make out because the light was really dim.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
There was a feeling of carnival all throughout. There were like street food stalls. There were a lot of games all around, ice creams, shakes.
I watch you as you drive.
But everything was super crowded. By this time, we visited almost
Do you know
2 big and 1 or 2 small pandals, and we were totally exhausted. We wanted to grab some tea or coffee or anything to drink.
and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
So we had some soft drink. Then on our way we saw Hyatt and we stopped there for a cup of coffee. But by that time it was already 4 in the morning and everything was shut. So all the cafes and restaurants were shut by that time. So we couldn't even get a coffee.
Everything's complete.
They had a very cute bakery station, and the way they decorated for puja was very, very elegant.
When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving
So finally we found one stall which was offering coffee, tea in these beautiful earthen coolers, and they were making it all fresh, so we finally opted for tea, coffee, and I can totally tell you the coffee was very delicious. I never had a cooler coffee. So our next stop was this pandal, which was based on the theme of tailors. So entire theme was based on clothes, garments and tailoring. You will see lots of shirts, fabric stalls, spool of threads, lots of tailors sitting around. So I'll just give you a glimpse.
Do you know I'm looking? I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
By this time we already got the daylight and it was almost 5 in the morning, and there was this beautiful pandal that we saw and had some intricate details, as you can see. Then we saw another very unique pandal which had this half and half look, like before and after kind of a picture. So it was so mesmerizing. Everyone was talking about why they left half pandal like this, and it was such a talking point.
Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
It was already daylight and we decided to head back home, and I will end the vlog here itself. Wishing you all very happy Dusshera, and see you in my next vlog.